This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Christina Ray. This beautiful end unit, 3-story townhouse-style condo offering 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and low-maintenance living. This well-maintained home features a versatile and spacious layout designed for today's lifestyle. The first floor offers a flexible open space, perfect for a home office, gym, or study. The second floor showcases an open concept design with a bright and inviting living area, a well-appointed kitchen with plenty of cabinet and counter space, and a dining area that leads to a private balcony, ideal for relaxing or entertaining. Your primary suite is located on the 3rd floor, including a private bath and walk-in closet, along with 2 additional bedrooms and a full bath. 1-car garage with a 2-car driveway, providing ample parking and convenience. As an end unit, enjoy added privacy and natural light throughout. Near shopping, dining, and major commuter routes, this home offers the perfect blend of space, comfort, and easy living. Schedule your private showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact Christina Ray at 757-638-5700.